Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your iPhone reminders is not working. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open settings and then you're going to scroll down till you find the section of notifications. Click on notifications and scroll down in the list till you find reminders. After that, you're going to click on reminders and make sure that allow notifications is toggled on and enable lock screen, notification center and banners. Next, you're going to go back to your settings and search for sound and haptics. Click on it and you're going to check that your alert volume is not low or muted. Now you're going to go back to your settings and then you're going to go to general and search for background app refresh and make sure it's on for reminders. After that, you can go back and scroll down till you find the option of privacy and security. And here you're going to search for location services and then you're going to search for reminders in the list and set it on while using the app because it is important for location-based reminders. Also check your reminder itself. You can go to the reminder application, simply search for reminder in your app library and make sure that it has date and time set. Without a time, it won't notify you. And if it still doesn't work, restart your iPhone and update your iOS from settings. Go to settings and then you can go to the general section. And here you're going to click on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version. And those were some of the few ways how you can fix reminders not working. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.